Hi guys, I'm here today with my Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I want to thank you for stopping by today, and let's get started. Can't wait to see what's in here. Spectrum, March 2018. Sew Sampler quilt revealed for the 2017 basket. Oh, okay, so this is what... Every month you get a little card, and this is what it made after if you made everything. Was this quilt. Super cute. And then look at that, so colorful. This is me using my crafts. These are great. I take my punch for some of them, like to get the colors. So this is really useful. So let's see what's inside. What is this? Oh, it's a tape measure. That is super cute. It's one of those little round tape measures with the button, and it's just been covered. It says Fat Quarter Shop. That is a super cute idea. Okay, so this is genuine leather rose gold tape measure. Adds a touch of luxury and a lot of function to your sewing accessories. Smooth tracking, easily legible measurements in inches and centimeters up to 60 inches. And a well-crafted pull tab and keychain loop. You can always keep this useful notion handy. Finished with a beautifully embossed quilt block. This well-appointed tape measure is one of a kind. You can see the little quilt block there. And here's the little tabby. It's can't see, it looks like it's glued on, it doesn't look sewn. And then here's the numbers. And then here's inches. And here's the centimeters. And then it has a little button right here in the center. You push to retract it. And then it says Fat Quarter Shop here. And it's got a little thing here. You can hang it on something or clip it on. Don't have to worry about your man taking that one, do we? And a super cute little box. It can even reuse. Okay, let's see. This box is valued at over $60. And this is everything that's in it and the values. And we have a sticker. And we have the 2017 Basket Sew Sampler Quilt. There's the reveal. And then we have the quilt, the 2017 Basket Sew Sampler Quilt Basket Block number 12. There's box block number 12. Okay, and then we got True Grips non-slip adhesive rings. Apply to the back of any ruler. No more slipping. 15 small and 15 large. There's that. The small is the center and the large is the outer ring. And you just stick them on the back of your ruler. And here's the back of the packaging. And let's see, let's open this up and take a look at these. Okay, here it is. Kind of stuck to the paper, but it's not stuck. It's just like, because it's rubbery. You can see them, they're like kind of like little rubbery silicone dots. I can definitely see how they'll be stick to everything, because they're really sticking to everything here. Keep it from sliding. Enjoy cutting without the constant slipping. Simply apply these little rings to the back of any ruler to increase safety and cutting accuracy by preventing slipping. True Grips adhesive rings are transparent so your project visibility is not impaired. Though designed for quilting, these rings work on any ruler and are great for any craft that uses a rotary or cutter Uses a rotary cutter and cleans scrapbooking and fabrics. So here they are. They just kind of look like that once you pull them up. And they are really sticky feeling. So that's super cool. These will come in handy because I do have a ruler that I like, but it slides around. So this will be great for that. Ooh, we got a Creative Grids ruler. 4-inch curvy log cabin trim tool. Create the illusion of curves with this 4-inch version of our popular curvy log cabin trim tool series. Designed by Jean Wright. There's that. Let me take this off so I can add it to my, where all my other rulers are. So, I'm trying to see if there's an example on here. Here, I got a napkin so you can see it. There's what it looks like. I'm sure you can do a search for it on Google and probably find how to use it. Because at the moment I'm not going to be any help with using it because I don't know how to use it. Okay, and the next items are the fabric and the so this has the pattern in it. So this is the pattern, and it comes with lap size and queen size. The lap size is 50.5 by 50.5, and the queen size is 83.5 by 83.5. And this is all the directions. And here's everything you need. Okay, let's see. I forgot to do this. The Sparkler Quilt pattern is a Sew Sampler exclusive. I don't see a price on it. It just says this modern variation on the classic curvy log cabin will send sparks flying, especially when paired with the glimmering metallic and ombre metallic confetti by V & Company for Moda Fabrics. That's that. And let's get into this fabric. What does it say about the fabric here? It says it's a fat quarter shop exclusive. If you already love V & Company ombre fabric, we think you're going to go crazy for her ombre confetti with metallic dots. It's the same colors of ombre that you know and love, but it's been dressed up for a party with gold metallic confetti dots. Okay, and this has the gold dots there, you can see. Super cute. There's the same thing in pink. And a blue. Oh, and this is, oh, okay, it's like ombre. So, okay, let me pull this out. So you can see how it's bunched up and goes to more scattered, and then it gets lighter. So that's really pretty. Okay, let's see the pink one. So the dark one has lots of dots, and as it gets lighter, the dots are more spaced out. That's really pretty. Wouldn't that be cute as a skirt? That would make a super cute skirt. The lighter at the top and the darker at the bottom. And again with the blue. Really pretty. Love this. And the green. Really pretty fabric. Love it. So I don't see a price. It says it's 100% cotton, and it's they're each 18 by 44 inches for the cuts. Super pretty fabric. Love it. So that is everything. Lots of great useful items. I love getting new rulers. And these are definitely going to be a benefit for me because, like I said, I have a ruler that I really like, but it slides around all the time. So that is everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon. Bye.